Hey everyone, Gil here with Camppatton Family Compound. I'm out here looking at the garden. Got some rototilling to do. More rototilling to do out here. See over here along that edge there where I couldn't get too close to that with the tractor, because that also goes down deeper than I wanted to. I just need to get rid of the grass there. And the same thing over here, along here, this stuff along here. I just need to get up there close to the weed blocker where I don't want to tear up the weed blocker. So I went and grabbed my electric Ryobi from across the street, and then I look at it, it's like, what the crap? Evidently somebody who shall remain nameless across the street there was using it and didn't clean it up after they were using it. So I got to clean this up here. All right, so let me go grab the tools and we're going to tear into that. You get to watch me tear into that. Okay, so I was thinking, hey, I'll just use my little digger here, dig it and stuff. Then I saw something sitting over there. I go, wait a minute. This blade's about ready to be changed out anyways. Let's see what it can do. So this is going to be interesting. See what this is going to do here. Got the glove on here. Seemed to break that one up. The other one's got a lot more mud in it, and great. Got some sort of a rubber thing there on it. Not sure if that got bumped over. All right. That is packed in up on the backside there. Shoot. It's all wrapped around across the backside from one side to the other. I can just imagine that the seal for going in here to where the oil is could possibly be gone. There's a lot of caked in there stuff on it. Man. Yeah, gotta dig it out from around the bearing seal. There we go, one side done. Now, yeah, so it is a big wad. Like if it was on the back side, it'd be just going across from one side to the other up here. The outer one's breaking off easier, but the inside one is packed with solid with dirt in there, and just these things are sharp, wore down to a sharp nastiness. Chunks off the back side. All right. Last little bit out from against the seal here. There we go. All right, there we go. It's clean out from in there, so I can actually get out there and start rototilling. And he who shall remain nameless just spent almost $4,000 on a zero-turn ride-on mower. Zero-turn ride-on mowers are made for level ground, as far as smooth. It can be angled, but it needs to be smooth, not all bumpy and stuff like the land over there is. So, it's going to be interesting when he tries to use that. Ugh. All right, now I just need to go get the extension cord and start rototilling down over there. And I got a bunch of straw I need to spread out here too. All right, see you guys around.